Okay, the next factors are biotic factors. These biotic factors include certain key terms that we will be using in this chapter. First term is of habitat. Habitat is a place where any organism lives. The surrounding or the environment of that organism would be called as habitat. For instance, our habitat is terrestrial, means we live on land. An organism in any habitat is never an independent unit. It always have to interact with other organism. It will get influenced by them also. Its existence cannot be taken on its own only. Then is ecological niche. The function of an organism or the role it plays in the habitat is known as the niche. The organism which is living in a certain kind of habitat will always have a certain role to perform there. The function of that organism which it plays there is very important because it not only live alone, it interacts with other organism as well. Next term is population. Population means a group of individuals of the same species occupying a given area. A group of individuals of same species. The example can be taken from any daily life routine. For instance, we say that population of human in Multan. So we have classified species that are of human, and we have also specified the area, that is Multan. It is expressed in terms of density, number of individuals per unit area. That in a unit area, how many people of that species or how many organisms of that species are living in that particular area, it will give you the definition of population. Population increases when the number of new individuals added to it exceeds the number lost through death or migration, and vice versa. Again, it's a very common point or common thing to observe, that population will increase when the new individuals added to the population exceeds the number lost through death. That if you are increasing the number of individuals in a specified area, their death rate, if it is lesser than that of the incoming of the new individuals, automatically the population will increase. Then is ecological unit. Ecological unit means when different population of plants and animals live together and interact within the same environment. Ecosystem, it is an ecological system formed by the interaction of living organism and their non-living environment. It means that we see the interaction of biotic and abiotic factors in a specified area. A functioning ecosystem uses both energy and materials. Energy can be heat energy, it can be light energy, materials can be organic or inorganic, depending upon that ecosystem that we are talking about.